bitches! My name is Sir Isaac Newton. I am a philosopher, a mathematician, and I invented so much sweet shit you wouldn't believe. When I'm not discovering the basic properties of light and gravity, I watch two shows, The Walking Dead and the epic rap battles of history. Well, guess what? They're both coming back with new episodes in February. Even the announcer has a few tricks up his sleeve.
Back, rap, battles of history.
Season 2 will continue and conclude with 6 more battles in 3 months, starting on February 11th, and we need you, bitches! I want to see 6 of the most incredible suggestions ever. Let your minds roam free. I want to see great versus great, legend versus legend.
And don't forget
And for Christ's sakes, we need a Russian. On behalf of us all here at youtube.com/ERB, have a pleasant day, work smart, and be as awesome as physically possible.